Hello everyone, welcome to my online class and I am present with a new chapter of mathematics chapter number 12 and the title of this chapter is measures of capacity. Chapter number 12 and the title of this chapter is measures of capacity. This is the second part of this chapter. Uh, in first part I have given some introduction about this chapter, capacity. Already I taught in first part, we measure liquid through this capacity. It means when we take some container to hold or to store some liquid. So first, and this is the second part. So through this video, I am going to teach you conversion. Conversion of bigger from bigger unit to smaller unit related to this capacity. But first, I am going to write the question number one. Question number one is give some example. Give some example of liquids that we measure in liter and milliliter. Okay, liter and milliliter. So answer is what? Answer is, we know that liter is the standard unit of capacity. So what is the answer? Some liquids, like water, milk, petrol, oil, milk, water, oil, crude oil. Crude oil means जो भी पेट्रोल डीजल है सब क्रूड ऑयल बोलते हैं. कुकिंग ऑयल लाइक मस्टर्ड ऑयल और रिफाइंड ऑयल, सोया ऑयल. DEASEL, diesel. Water, milk, petrol, diesel, cold drink, fruit juice, cooking oil, etc. So these are some example: water, milk, petrol, diesel, cold drink, fruit juice, cooking oil. These are some example that we measure in liter and milliliter. बहुत सारे हो जाएंगे. तो now come to the second question. Second question is, second question, conversion. CONVERSION, conversion. Conversion means conversion of units. यूनिट को चेंज करना, फ्रॉम बिगर यूनिट टू स्मॉलर यूनिट और फ्रॉम स्मॉलर यूनिट टू बिगर यूनिट. ओके, कन्वर्जन मीन्स कन्वर्ट करना, चेंज करना. कन्वर्जन मीन्स व्हाट? कन्वर्ट. Unit, we know that in this chapter we are studying about capacity and we measure any liquid in liter and milliliter, already I told. So first question number 2 in 1. change into milliliter. Change into milliliter. Ml means what? Ml means milliliter. We write short form of milliliter is ml and L for liter. Ml for milliliter and L for liter. First question is question number A. Question number A is 6 liter into milliliter. So how can we change this 6 liter into milliliter? Already I taught in first part of this chapter 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Liter is the bigger unit and milliliter is the smaller unit. So we will write solve करेंगे इसको. How can we solve it? We know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 6 liter equal to 6 multiplied by 1000 milliliter. So what is the answer? When we multiply 6 multiplied by 1000, answer will be 6000. How can we multiply? We can multiply this 6 multiplied by 1. 6 1 ja 6. How many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. Just we will write 3 zero after 6. And what is unit? Milliliter. किसमें चेंज करना है? Milliliter में. So we will write ml. ml means what? Milliliter. So this is our answer. 6000 milliliter. 6 liter into milliliter. We know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So question is 6 liter. 6 liter equal to 6 multiplied by 1000 milliliters. What is answer? 6000 milliliter. Okay. Now come to the next question. Next question is Next question is 25 liter. 25 liter into milliliter. Same rule we will apply to solve this question. Question number B. This is question number B. So how can we solve? We will solve this second question will be same as question number A. Once again we will write. We know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So what is question? Question is 25 liter. 25 liter equal to 25 multiplied by 1000 milliliter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. So 25 liter equal to 25 multiplied by 1000 milliliters. So what is answer? 25 multiplied by what? 25 1 ja 25. Just we will write 25. How many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. So we will write just 3 zero after 25. 25,000. What is the unit? किसमें चेंज करना है? मिलीलीटर में. So we will write after 25,000 ml. This is our answer. 25,000 milliliter answer. Okay. Now next question. In this through these two questions we have learned how can we change from liter to milliliter, from bigger unit to smaller unit. In question number 2, Roman number 2, we will learn about how can we change from milliliter to liter. Okay. Question number 2 is change into liter. Change into liter. Okay. Change into liter. Liter कैसे चेंज करेंगे? Question number A. Suppose that 8000 milliliter into liter. So how can we solve? So simple. In first question we have done multiply. In this question we will do divide by 1000. We know that 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. So what is question? 8000 milliliter. 8000 milliliter equal to 8000 divided by 1000 milliliter. 8000 milliliter into liter चेंज करना है. Below that 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. So 8000 milliliter equal to 8000 divided by 1000 milliliter. So how many zeros? आप देखिए डिवाइड करेंगे. दो तरह से डिवाइड में बता देता हूँ. 1 के टेबल में 8 कितने टाइम्स में आता है? 8 टाइम में. सो 1000 के टेबल में 8000 कितना टाइम में आएगा? 8 टाइम्स में. तो 8 टाइम्स में आएगा. 1000 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 8 से तो 8000 होगा. सो व्हाट इज आंसर? 8 लीटर. 8 लीटर आंसर. इसमें लीटर में चेंज करना है. सो वी विल राइट 8 लीटर. L for liter. So and the second thing से how can we दूसरा तरीका से कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे? इस तरह से करेंगे. 8000 divided by 1000 and you can see that when I have written this 8000 divided by 1000 in fraction form, numerator by denominator in both number, numerator and denominators 3 zeros, so all zeros will be cancelled. All zeros will be cancelled. So हम अब ऊपर में कितना बचा है? न्यूमरेटर में 8, नीचे में डिनोमिनेटर में 1. तो 1 से 8 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो 8 टाइम्स में आएगा. तो व्हाट इज आंसर? 8 लीटर. यू कैन सी दैट. ओके, सेम आंसर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, थ्रू दिस वीडियो we have done we have learned not done we have learned about conversion of units. All of you will do this type of question also. Thank you.